Welcome to the Adobe After Effects video editing tutorial. In this session, I will demonstrate how to create a cinematic fire effect logo using Adobe After Effects. In this tutorial, I have used the freeware third-party plugin Saber. Download link of the plugin is given in the video description. Create a composition. Change the name of the composition. Set the duration to 7 seconds and keep the background color black. Select the Project tab. Import a logo. You can use any logo. The logo should be a PNG file. Add the logo to the timeline and adjust the size and position according to your requirements. Pre-compose the logo. Click the right mouse button and select Pre-compose. Change the name, and select Move All Attributes. Select the logo and go to the Layer menu. Click on the Auto Trace. Auto Trace is used for masking automatically. Make sure that Apply to New Layer is marked. Rename the new layout to Logo 1. Hide the logo. Make 2 more duplicate copies of Logo 1 using Ctrl+D. Hide layout Logo 2 and Logo 3. Select Logo 1 and go to the Effect menu. Select the effect Saber from the Video Copilot. Saber is a freeware third-party plugin of Video Copilot. You can download it from the link given in the video description. Change the preset of the Saber to Fire. Go to Customize Core and change the core type to Layer Masks. Keep the playhead at the starting position. Add the first keyframe at the start offset. Change the value to 100%. Move the playhead to the 2-second position. Set the start offset value to 0%. You can check it using Run Preview. Change the end size value to 0%. Move playhead to the 1-second position. Add the keyframe at the end offset. Do not change the value. Move the playhead to the 3-second position. Set the end offset value to 0%. Go to the render setting, and change the composite settings transparent. Settings of Logo 1 are completed. Now go for Logo 2. Unhide Logo 2. Go to the Effect menu. Select the Effect Saber from the Video Copilot. Change the preset of the saber to Fire. Change the core type to Layer Masks as same as Logo 1. Set the glow intensity value to 10%. Move the playhead to the 4-second position. Add the first keyframe at the start offset. Change the value to 100%. Move the playhead to the 6-second position. Set the start offset value to 0%. Change the end size value to 0%. Again, move the playhead to the 4-second position. Add the first keyframe at the end offset. Move the playhead at the end of the timeline. Set the end offset value to 0. You can see keyframes by pressing U. You can also change the positions of keyframes. Move the playhead to the 6-second position. Add the first keyframe at the core size. Move the playhead at the end of the timeline. Change the core size value to 0. Go to the render setting, and change the composite settings transparent. Settings of Logo 2 are completed. Now go for Logo 3. Unhide Logo 3. Go to the Effect menu. Select the Effect Saber from the Video Copilot. Change the preset of the saber to Simple Orange. Change the core type to Layer Masks as same as Logo 2. Set the glow intensity value to 13%. Move the playhead to the 5-frame position. Set the start offset value to 100% and add the first keyframe. Move the playhead to the 4-second position. Set the start offset value to 0%. Change the end size value to 150%. Move the playhead to the 5-frame position. Add the first keyframe at the core size. Move the playhead to the 2-second and 15-frame positions. Change the course size value to 1.5. Move the playhead to the 4-second and 10-frame positions. Change the course size value to 3. Move the playhead to the 6-second and 10-frame positions. Change the course size value to 0. Move the playhead to the 3-second position. Add the first keyframe at the mask evolution. Move the playhead at the end of the timeline. Change the mask evolution value to -1. Go to the render setting, and change the composite settings transparent. Select all the layouts. Click the right mouse button and select Pre-compose. Change the composition name. Add a new solid for the background. Change the name, and the background color should be black. Move the black background at the bottom of the WB logo. Go to Effects and Presets, and search for a ramp. Add ramp to the black background. Ramp is used to change the background color. Change the start and end color of the background. Make duplicate copies of WB logo using Ctrl+D. The duplicate copy will be used to create a shadow. Make both the logo to 3D. Select the WB logo from the layout below and press the R key. Change the rotation value to 110. Now press P to change the position of the layout. Change the Y position accordingly. Go to Effects and Presets and search for Gaussian Blur. Add effects to the below located WB logo. Change the blurriness to 30. You can also try different values. Add another Effects and Presets CC Radial Fast Blur. Set the amount value to 70. Here also you can try different values. Select the WB logo from the layout below and press the T key. Change the opacity value to 60%. Add a new camera layout, and change the name. Add a new null object. Select Camera Layout, and set Parent and Link to Null Object. Set the camera layout to 3D. Select the null object, and press P to set the position. Add the first keyframe at the starting point of the timeline. Move the playhead at the end of the timeline, and change Z-axis value to 500. Select all the layouts. Click the right mouse button and select Pre-compose. Now your logo is ready for export. You can give any name. If you want to change the color of the logo, use an adjustment layout. Add a new adjustment layout. Go to Effects and Presets and search for Tritone. Add the tritone effects to the adjustment layout. You can try different colors here. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.